things you always stood for. Help us find them too. Hey there, Maria, Santa Maria, Maria. May I take a liberty and say that it's a shame to me not to live in harmony. We're all just hoping someone will step forward singing Amen. Amen. Come on, let's join him and sing Ave Maria. Where have you been hiding? Don't you know we need you? Things are looking pretty bad down here. I know you hear the fighting, see the torch we're lighting on our quest for peace and freedom. Help us see this through. Hey there, Maria, Santa Maria, Maria. May I take a liberty and say that it's a shame to me not to live in harmony. We're all just hoping someone will step forward